Hey there! So, people celebrate love in many ways. We love our parents, siblings, and our spouses. Somehow, when a little one comes up, you realize that you had no idea that you can actually love a person to this extent. So, what is actually love? Well, all I can say is when you love someone, you just want them to be happy. And what do you mean by celebrating love? It doesn't mean, you could actually give them gifts or take them to their favorite places. How do you actually celebrate it? Nicholas Sparks is an expert as he exactly knows how to celebrate love. He's a fantastic writer who weaves in one of the most beautiful love stories ever. And today, I shall be talking about one of his classics. Notebook. To me, Notebook is nothing but a celebration of love, a promise made by author saying that there are people out there who are who actually care for their spouses just the way Noah cared for Ali. Now coming to the story, Ali and Noah meet when they were 14 in a small town where they instantly take a liking to each other. When Ali leaves, they promise to keep in touch. Actually, Noah writes letters to Ali, 365 letters for the whole year, but they never reach Ali thanks to her mother who had a tale of her own with her besotted lover. So Ali assumed that Noah moved on, and Noah was hurt, thinking Ali ignored him. When Noah returns from World War II, he actually restores an old house of his father and he gives an ad. Ali happens to read that ad and she goes to meet him. That is when they have this huge row. They fight with each other. That is when Ali comes to know that Noah did write to her, and Noah comes to know that Ali never received any letters of his. They finally make up, but still they have to leave each other as Ali is already engaged to another person. The next day, Ali's mother shows up and gives her all the letters Noah has written to her. Still, she has to bid a tearful goodbye to Noah and she goes back. Now, this is the story that is actually narrated by an old man to his to an old woman who is suffering from Alzheimer's. He then asks her if she remembers whom she chose to marry, her fiance or her love Noah. That is, of course, you must have guessed it already that the old couple is none other than our Ali and Noah. So Ali remembers that she chose her love Noah. So you see, despite of Noah suffering from many health issues such as cancer and arthritis, he never gave up on his love. He took great care of Ali. How he loved her with all his heart and how he celebrated his love, and was exhilarated, at least when she remembers him for a few moments, is what that definitely tugs your heart and makes you say that if this isn't love, then what else is? Now the book actually ends up with couple holding their hands and hoping that they pass away together. Caring for a person when you are of age and everything is rosy around you is okay, but taking care of a person and giving them all your love despite of them not being able to recognize you makes your love nothing short of being worship worthy. So this is the kind of love you would read in Notebook. So I definitely urge you all friends to give it a try, as this is definitely a classic for a reason and is worth all your time. Thank you.